some powerful forces, some powerful institutions that basically drive the human actions. Okay, drive the individual action. In structuralism, individual has no freedom. They will do those things which forces compels them to do. Okay, they don't have a rights. They look, whenever we talk about structuralism, okay, whenever we talk about structuralism, you have to multiply by human power with 0. Okay, individual power with 0, because human is nothing. There are only powerful institutions which forces, and these forces compels them, individuals, to do some kind of a specific stuff. Okay, we have so many forces, as we already discussed, or so many institutions like family, education, media, and religion, and all these stuffs. Okay, now we have basically structuralism. What about the structuralism? Forces that drive the human actions. You got that? Okay, there are basically two approaches, Hamza, that's come into the structuralism. Sometimes Hamza, you are agree with the structuralism, and sometimes you are disagree. Sorry, is that or not? Sometimes you are agree, and sometimes you are not. Okay, there are basic, you can say, two approaches or two babies, in easy words. For example, if I ask you that what are the similarity between Hamza, you and Shariz, the easy answer, you know what is the easy answer between you and Shariz? What are the similarity between you, or what are the similarity, like other than male, other than gender, what are the similarity you and Shariz have? Very easy answer is that the similar thing is only DNA. Everything is different between us. Okay, but the DNA is the same. The idea is that the structuralism also have two babies, okay, or the twins approaches. The idea is that both will affect the human, both will drive the human nature, both will drive the human actions, but both are opposite. The first approach is known as consensus. Got it?
Yeah.
Consensus. And other one opposite to that is conflict. Consensus, the reason behind the consensus is to maintain the social stability. Okay, like you are agree with that, okay, fine, I am agree with that. Okay, conflict, it's like disagree. You might say that there is a problem in our society.
Yeah.
This is known as conflict. Okay, now consensus have one more approach, which is known as functionalism. What is functionalism? The simple idea between the functionalism, Hamza, is that every institutions who are working in our society have a particular kind of a functions that affect us.
Yeah.
Like if you are sitting over there, if I said that should Islam practice over there or not, you would say it should be. It has an impact on our life. Not only impact, it has a positive impact on my life.
Yeah.
Okay, mean it will be functionalized. Got that?
Yeah.
In conflict approach,